Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs the supported Windows 11 build and your phone supports Nearby Share or a compatible receiver app. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. They don't need the same network, but wireless radios must be active. Open Settings, go to System, then Nearby Sharing, and turn it on. Choose who can share with you, everyone nearby for quick pairing or my devices only for privacy. Once done, you're ready to initiate a transfer. You now pick the file to send. Right-click it or use the Share button in File Explorer and choose Nearby Share. Windows will scan for nearby receivers. Make sure your phone's screen is unlocked and Nearby Share or its equivalent receiver is active. When the phone appears in the list, select it. Windows negotiates a secure connection using Bluetooth for discovery and Wi-Fi or WebRTC for transfer. If the connection stalls, stop and retry after toggling the radios. Make sure both devices stay awake during transfer. You complete the flow by accepting the transfer on your phone when the prompt appears, then choose where to save the file if asked. Watch the progress on both devices and confirm the file opens correctly once done. If the transfer fails, make sure Nearby Share permissions and location permissions are allowed on the phone, then restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode to reset radios. One key tip: if devices repeatedly fail to see each other, reboot both devices before retrying to clear transient network state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.